Google Docs comes with many features built in, but sometimes you want a specific tool that just isn't there. When this happens, you might want to try installing an add-on. Like the name implies, an add-on literally adds features on to Google Docs. To get started, go to Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. As you can see, there are a lot of options available that help with a whole host of different tasks. If you know what you're looking for, you can enter a keyword into the search bar at the top of the page. The first one here has good reviews, so I'll click to see more. It's important to understand that add-ons are made by third-party content creators. Google does not make and is not responsible for the performance or security of add-ons. That's why it's important for you to research an add-on before installing it. You can find the add-on's publisher just below the title. In the top right corner, you can see a rating and the total number of users who have downloaded it. You probably want to stay away from add-ons with few users or low ratings. Farther down the page, there's an overview, which is followed by user reviews. Reading reviews is a good way to get a sense of how well the add-on works. When you are ready to install the add-on, scroll back to the top of the page and click Install. A pop-up appears with links to the terms of service and privacy policy, which outline how the add-on will use your information. When you're ready, click Continue. Add-ons are not installed onto your computer. Instead, they're installed onto your Google account, so you'll have to choose which account you want to use. After choosing your account, you'll be asked to grant the add-on different permissions. Most add-ons will need to be able to view and manage your documents in order to function. You should ask yourself, do you feel comfortable letting this add-on read and edit your documents? Is the creator trustworthy? Is the add-on secure? You should be extra cautious if your Google account contains sensitive information. If you trust the add-on that you are installing, go ahead and click Allow. Another pop-up may appear that shows you how to use the add-on. When you're ready, you can click Next. Some add-ons will ask you to create an account or subscribe to a paid plan. In this instance, I'm just going to click Done and then close out of the marketplace. To use the add-on, go back to the Add-ons drop-down, hover over it, and click Start. This particular add-on works by opening a new window full of icons that I can add to my document. I think this flyer needs some fireworks. I like this first one, but let's try it in red. I'll click Insert, and voila! The firework image appears in my document. If I were to share this document with another user, they will be able to see which add-ons are being used by clicking the Add-ons dropdown. However, this new user must install the add-on for themselves before they will be able to use it. At any point, you can remove add-ons from your Google account by going back to the Add-ons dropdown and choosing Manage Add-ons. Add-ons can be extremely helpful, but remember to always do research and be careful when choosing which add-ons to install.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.